Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. This is not a gaming video because we are back with the Immortals Digital Live with some digital unboxing. You can see my shadow right there. And today we are unboxing not these are my old earphones which actually broke. These are the Moonwalk M1s which I bought like about a year ago, and now they are not working because they have some battery issue and the battery is not stable, and one side the charger, like the left side, the earbuds are not getting charged. And so today I bought some new earphones, not today, yesterday actually. I've already unboxed them, but which are the OnePlus earbuds D, which are in white color. And you can see OnePlus branding over here. You can see the earbuds which are really cool, guys. And the price of these are 3000 rupees. And there are so many features in it which are bass boost, like you get OP amount of bass sound, like the drum sound and stuff. Put in full volume and listen to a full bass song, like a full drum music, big music song. You're gonna love it, okay? And it has 20 hours of battery life. That's good, man. And water resistant. Like, so if people have doubt that can you take this earbuds to the gym, you can easily take to the gym and you can work out with these earbuds because it is all water and sweat resistant. Like, means if water sweat falls on the earbuds, it doesn't spoil or damages it. And this is comfortable and designed because it has rubber ear tips which makes it very comfortable and doesn't make it to fall. And yeah, seamless connection, like it is very quick connection. If you have the OnePlus device, it is very good to connect. So when we open it, over here there's a box. We just keep it in the side. We have the OnePlus earbuds Z. I think you saw the cinematic shots, and these are the earbuds which you just saw right now. We'll go deep into it after a little bit more time. So here, let's see what's more, like what and all more you get with these earbuds. So just open this slit up, keep the earbuds in the side. Here's another box kind of thing which says Buds for Life, and let's just open up this box. Is upside down. Here it is. It's saying enjoy your new buds, thank you. Okay, so this has it has some extra accessories, and let's check out what accessories does it contain. So let's dig in. Here is a big book which I think is flying out from the cooler. Sorry, but still, here's the big book of instruction which says about the buds and stuff. So let's just keep it in the side. Here's another book saying never settle. I don't know, safety and warranty card. This like warranty book, safety and warranty book. Let's just check out what else is inside this shit. Out, everything is out. So this comes with a nice little charger which has a USB-C port and a USB-A port, which is very nice because USB-C ports are very handy and very strong. And here's a Red Cable Club card. I don't know, what does it say? It says unravel a world of exclusive perks and with Red Cable Club. Means they're saying OnePlus has only red cables, right? So they're saying Red Cable Club. It comes with some nice little ear tips which I'll just unbox in 1 minute. Guys, we have two more kind of ear tips which are in different sizes. Like this is a long one, this is little bit more broader and like big. So there are different types of ear tips which I'm gonna just drop there. Let's see how long is the cable. I open up the cable and like, yeah, it's pretty long only. Wait, let me show because I'm using one hand. So yeah, see, you can see it's not pretty long, but for a earbud it's okay, and they are giving red cables which are more powerful and more can take more electricity and stuff. So what, like, these are the stuff which come inside this book. This pile of sheets here, some ear tips, a charging cable which has USB-C to USB-A port, and the earbuds, and this red cable club card. Yeah, that's it what comes. So guys, let's go on see about the features of these earbuds. Main question is, what are the features, like nice features of this? So guys, the main features, it has good bass, like nice sound, and it has good connectivity. If you have a OnePlus phone, it's much better, but you can but still in other phones also the connectivity is like way better than the other ones. So do you say it's worth it for 3000 rupees? Yeah, it obviously is. And let's talk about this indicator light which you can see blinking. So if it goes green, which is it's not, that means it's paired already. If it goes white, that means it's ready to pair, which is not, it's not connected to any device. It has a charging port right here. It has a button which you can probably see. Wait, let me make the light dim. Yeah, see, you can see that. So when I press it and hold for 10 seconds, it resets. Like if you don't have a phone and it's connected to a phone, means you don't have that phone which is it connected with, you can reset it or disconnect it with using this cable. Okay, so see, now it's blinking green because it's, but still it's not connected though. It'll just blink when it's closed. And these are the ear tips, earbuds, which you can see. It's a really good design. It has a really good design. And yeah, what would I say, it's there are two types of ear tips, earbuds guys, which these ones, the part which you can see here comes out of your ear, and the other rest of it goes inside. It has nice ear tips which doesn't make it fall, very comfortable. It's very lightweight so that it doesn't hurt. And this box, really premium feeling guys. You can, the magnet, like when it closes, it feels really premium. Guys, talking about the battery, has 450 mAh of battery. It has 20 hours of battery life in the capsule or the box itself, in the holder, and it has 3 to 5 hours of battery life in the earbuds when it's fully charged, about 100%. And like, it's very nice, actually very good. I said you there are two types of earbuds, one which go in your ear. These things go full up to the top to the end inside your ears, but these things lie out of your ear. And let's listen to some music. So guys, let's just wear these stuff in my ear and I'll show you how does it feel. Okay, wait, let me wear it properly. Let's just play a music. Wait, let me play a music. Wait, ad is playing. Spotify plays so many ads. Oh my god guys, the bass is nice. Wait, let me wear the second one also. It has touch control here. I can have, like, the earphones do touch here, like they have a touch option. Okay, that makes it really good music, actually really good. Let's go on some more features. Wait, let me open the box up. It has, as I said you, it has touch control, and it has double mic system, one right here, one right there, and they are like very lightweight, which makes it very nice. Has nice bass boost, and other music also seems very good. So it has option to customize in OnePlus phones, but if you don't have a OnePlus phone, please don't worry, because I do know an app which can customize. Like, suppose if you want to double tap to pause and play, you can do that. If you want to double tap to change to next song, you want to do that. You can do anything just using that app. So let me just show you. Here, just go to your Google Play Store and just type an app called Hey Melody, which is an app which is made for this device. And you can just connect your device up and on your Bluetooth, connect your device up and go on using and customize your device however you want to. So this is the app which you should use. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today's video. This was a kind of short video, I hope. And these are the stuff which came with the earphones. I actually kind of love these earphones, which are feeling really premium in my hands. Has a USB port which I'll charge. Wait, let me put in. Oh, that's satisfying. That's really nice. And this color white, I choose this more two colors, which one is a funky color, one is a gray, but I couldn't find a funky color and I could find the gray which was not so nice. So I think this is nice and gives a satisfying feeling when you close and open it. This looks premium and is better than its big brother, the 5,000 rupees OnePlus earbuds. And it has a previous version which is the OnePlus ear tips or something, which is a neck earbuds, like Bluetooth neck earbuds, which are also good rating, but I wanted these ones, so I just went on buying this. And if you want to buy this online, I'll put the link in the description below. This cost about 3,000 rupees and OnePlus branding over here. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope I covered everything about this earbuds. If you liked it, like the video, please make sure to like it, because yeah, I don't know why, but still make sure to like it so that this earbuds get some nice like people like this earbuds. And make sure to subscribe because we are close to 50 subscribers. And yeah, that's it for today's